Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to get free background music in your videos. So you want to have that sweet music going on just to be giving you the vibe and maybe gingering you while you're making your videos. You want to have that cool sound in your background playing so that your audience can enjoy your videos. They can, while watching, they can be nodding their heads or giving some dance moves. So this is how to do it. Let's get right into it. So I'm using my phone for this tutorial. The first thing you want to do, and we are also using CapCut, that's the software application we are using. You go over to CapCut, you go to new project, you upload the video. Hello guys and welcome to you add that video, and the next thing you want to do is to go over to audio. You click on audio, you go over to sounds. So these are the various sounds we have here listed. What you want to do is to select the exact sound you want to use for your video. So let's just take a look at Lovely Piano. So for the purpose of this tutorial, let's just use this sound for the purpose of this tutorial. So we've added the sound we want to add to our video. Now, depending on where you want it to start, you can simply edit it using your fingers just by drawing it like this.
If you want it to apply to the entire video, you can make sure it fits the entire video, just like what we have here. Do you see that? But if you want it to happen to a particular part in the video, you can always do that using your fingers. So the next thing is the volume of it. Do you want it to be high? Do you want it to be low? To be average or moderate? That depends on you. So what you do, this is the volume. You simply click on the volume, as you can see, and to get it high, you can simply just move your fingers. This is it. Move it to 1000%.
Hello guys. Hello guys and welcome to
the volume. Was so loud. I had to reduce it immediately. So you just have to control the volume depending on what you want. But guys, remember, you don't want your background music to overshadow your voice. So when you're doing the background music, make sure your audience can actually hear what you are saying. So you don't want the background music that is overshadowing your voice or that is distracting your audience. As a matter of fact, guys, I advise that if you are going to do a tutorial video, a video where you're teaching people, I prefer no sound. That is just me, but if you are the kind of person that likes to use music, you can do that, guys. Do you? So you can actually use music, but make it so low that it does not distract from what you are trying to teach, especially if it's a tutorial video. So
hello guys and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to get free background music in your...
So you see that my volume, I decreased the volume, so I want it to be so low that it does not.
Hello guys and welcome.
Put it now at 6. It's at 6 because I don't want it to distract or make to overshadow my voice. So that's it. It applies to the general video because the sound, I have not really positioned it in particular areas. Now if I want it to apply just in particular areas of the video, what I have to do is to apply split, where I want the sound to be high or where I want the sound to be low. Sorry for the messages, guys. I'm using my phone for this tutorial, so you might see messages coming as we go along, but never mind, take the information and forget about the messages. So if you find this information interesting, guys, please give me a like. like this video so that YouTube pushes it out to many other people. And do not forget to leave your comment in the comment section, and questions or whatever you like to learn, let me know in the comment section. And please guys, do not forget to subscribe. The kind of person that wants to up your editing skills, please subscribe to the channel. So let's go back to the tutorial. So let's say I want to make the music loud in a particular area of the video, or maybe make it low in a particular area of the video. Here's what I do. I simply go to the particular point where I want my music to be loud. For instance,
hello guys and welcome to my channel.
So I've said welcome to my channel. So if let's say I want it to be loud, the welcome to my channel, so I'm just going to click on this is where it starts. I'm going to click on split.
Come to my channel.
So I'm going to click on split again. So here is the part where I want to increase my volume. What I have to do is just click on volume and I adjust it the way I want it to be. You see? So let's put it at 40.
Come to my channel.
So listen to it.
Hello guys and welcome to my channel.
Have you seen that? So that's exactly how we do it. So let's say I don't just want it to go from low to very high. I want the music to be playing, and at one point goes up and at the other point goes down. Do you get it? Like I just want a continuous sound where it's going to increase and decrease at certain points. Here is what I do. Since the music applies to the entire video, what I'm going to use is fade. So let me just reverse what the volumes I increased. So I've reversed everything, guys. To reverse, you simply come to this arrow, this backward arrow, and you reverse the things you've done. So now let's say I want the music to play continuously but increase at certain points and decrease at certain points. What we are going to be using is the fade icon. So here is what we do. Let's listen to the video.
Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to get free background.
So I simply come to the place where I want it to be loud. Let's say I split it there.
I'll be teaching you how to get free background music.
So how to get
background music in
how to get free background music. Let's see.
I'm going to be teaching you how to get free background music.
So I split again there. So let's listen to the part where I want to increase.
I'll be teaching you how to get free background music.
So let's say I go over now to fade. I increase fade in.
I'll be teaching you how to get free background. I'll be teaching you how to get free background. Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you.
So I faded it in and there I increase the volume.
I'll be teaching you how to get free background music.
Then I come back here to this other part of the video. I go over to fade and I fade out. That's it.
In your videos. So you want to have that sweet in your video.
Volume. So listen to it now.
Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to get free background music in your videos. So you want to have that sweet music going on.
So that's exactly what we do. You just have to go over to sound and you play with the options that you have, guys. That's simply what you do for sound if you want your free background sound and you want to play with it. So guys, you can also come over here and you can use the keyframe. I taught you guys the last time how to use keyframes, so I'll leave the video link in the description box. If you do not know how to use keyframes, you can always check out the video I made. You can also use keyframes to do this. Wherever you want the volume to increase or decrease, you use keyframe to do that. If I want the volume to